Most players run past these spots. I use it all the time when I was in tier 5 and 6. Stick around till the end, I'll show you the best build for it. You're probably not gonna get much kills from this spot, but the advantage is you're less likely to be taken out immediately. Most enemies will be shooting at you from down there, and from over here, and from over there. There is a swarm position right there, but this is not the spot I will recommend for this, the best for this map. My favorite spot would be from here. Now the key is to hold your position and wait for your enemies to push towards you. You use your ability on them and take them out. I almost never start with my best build. Instead, I swamp one of my weaker mechs, which usually get taken out almost immediately. Then I use the knowledge of the map to get me into the position that gives me the best chance of winning. Like this. Then I wait patiently for my enemies to attack. Then I use my ability. I take them out from there, from this side, and from any other side they come. The key is for me to wait for them to push towards me. If you're struggling on this map like I did when I started, there are 3 spots I will recommend. It helped me a lot when I was in tier 5 and 6 on my free foyer account. Here is one of them. Here you do the same thing, wait for your enemies to push towards you, then you take them out. There's a swamping spot right there, then someone will push from you from there, and at times from up there and from all over. All you gotta do is wait for them to push towards you, then you use your ability and you take them out. Here is another spot underground. I didn't have much luck here till I got to tier 6. When I was in tier 5, I couldn't get under here. I usually get taken out before I get there, but it's still a good spot. You try it out and see whether it works for you. Here is the spot I highly recommend. I have won matches from here, taking out people who push from me from over there, from the other side. So it's still the same play, but before you get here, most of the times you get taken out. So the knowledge of the map still comes in use. So like this. This isn't the best map for camping, but there are still a couple of positions you can try out. At this spot, you can stay protected and watch multiple angles. This position isn't well protected, but the big advantage is that you can quickly retreat towards the tunnel immediately after taking out an enemy and giving your ability time to cool down, and you can equally swamp inside the tunnel so that you don't get taken out immediately. spots I will recommend you try out and see if it fits your playing style. The first place will be right here. Sit here, take out Mech that pushes towards you from here and from over there. Another place people try is right up there, but you need to know the map so that you can swap up there. But here isn't a great place because you're not gonna get many kills from here. You're only gonna want to be here when you're already in the lead. Personally, this isn't my favorite free-for-all map, but here's the first place I recommend you try. Here is a very open area, but for me, I like to seek for cover, so I would push towards where I believe I can get the most cover, which is towards here. I like to stay here and try to wait for people to come towards me, then I use my ability, take them out, do it all over again. You can also try to push towards here. Camping here, you can survive all the match, but you probably won't get any kills or many kills, so you might survive and then lose. Finally, this is my favorite free-for-all map. Here, the strategy is simple. Once the match starts, just head towards the edge and towards the tunnel there. Stay there. Wait for your enemies to push towards you. Use your ability on them and take them out. It also comes in handy to have the knowledge of the map, so you can easily swim towards the edge easier, get in there quicker, and stay there and wait for them to come. If you're in tier 5 or 6, you need to get Zephyr Barrel Beam is a great build for this with the right implants. My personal favorite, Zephyr Vulcan is the best I will always go for in this build. Thank you for watching. Please let me know any other map you want me to review in the comment section.